In a hurry to learn more regarding making money online? These tips are for you. What is there to do to make money online today? The fact is that anything that makes money in real life has a virtual counterpart. On top of that, there are many money-making opportunities which are only available online. Start watching the rest of this video to learn more. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. If you are a good writer, there are many opportunities for you online when it comes to making extra money. For example, check out video writing sites where you can create content to be used for search engine optimization. Many pay more than a few cents per word, making it worth your while. Set a daily schedule and keep it. You have to persevere to make money online. This is no quick fix to tons of cash. You will need to work every day. Make sure that you get up in the morning, work a set work schedule and have an end time as well. Scheduling an hour can make a difference. You may need to identify yourself before you can work online. Lots of opportunities require you to provide traditional forms of identification. If you don't have digital copies of your ID now, get them prior to applying and make the process a lot easier. To earn some quick cash online, try one of the many auction sites. These sites let you sell a myriad of items, both new and used. Collect together gently worn clothes from your closet. Then, photograph each piece and place them on an auction site. With these sites, you can set a minimum bid to ensure that you get the money you want from your clothes. Many people make quite a bit of money by filling out surveys and participating in online studies. There are numerous websites that offer this kind of work, and it can be quite lucrative. It is important that you check out the reputation and validity of any website offering survey work before joining and supplying your sensitive information. Make sure the site has a good rating with the BBB or other consumer protection agency. It should also have positive reviews from users. Are you a grammar nut? Do you understand the nuances of the English language? Consider working as a copy editor. You can get paid to look over videos that were written by others, seeking out any errors in the work and then correcting them. The best part is that you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Those who have done best over time have always been the people who educate themselves. The fact that you took the time to watch this video shows that you are dedicated to your own success. As long as you use this learning wisely, you will be able to make money online in no time. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.